Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Agarwal and I am student of NITI IM19 section A. Through this video I like to cover some concepts and application of the subjects of Principle of Management taught to us in our first module by our professor Mr. T. Prasad. The course offered to us an innovative methodology of learning based on application of theory in practical examples. Moreover, the concept of blog where you can share with the outside world your learning made it more interesting as well as enlightening in terms of learning. Through this course, we explored various facets of management and applied them to live examples which build us strong foundation in understanding this subject. During our first session, the tower building exercise, using square blocks, we were asked to set a goal of the number of blocks we were able to place before the structure falls. We had to put each block on top of the other just with one hand, which would be a wrong hand, means the left hand. A student, when randomly chosen, he has to set the target as 10, or practically it was been yielded that it was 18 last from the past result. The observation which were noted regarding the experiment were some of the students ambitiously predicted more than the attained goal. This particular prediction may have been true had the experiment be performed again, resulting in better results. Many predicted a value less than which was achieved. This is unsuited as it may lead to underachievement the full capacity. Thus, in this exercise, we were introduced the concept of different types of performances for accomplishing goal and categorizing people based on their performance as backfolders, maintainers, or progressive minds. Next, we were introduced to the valley crossing concept. This was a very interesting one, which comprised a step-by-step process of crossing the valley. This exercise was to perform in a group of member of three each. Randomly, three guys were taken from the class, and I was among them. Task given to us was to switch over from left side of the valley to the right side of the valley. Actually, there was not a valley, but it was done practically. Means it was done in the classroom, so there was no valley. The basic motto of the task is to enable the students to understand the teamwork and organization and learning through this task. Form concepts which were highlighted through the exercise were interlocking rules, conceptual skills, cooperation and coordination. As I was the middle one, the leader one, the first person was acting as a leader, and we have to follow him because it's a team work to be completed. Through this concept, we were introduced to the roles of manager who have been assigned the task of helping three people cross a valley. Limitation of a manager were discussed and several methods were suggested as solutions for the valley crossing task. Then we came across the concept of theory X and theory Y manager. Various scenarios were discussed for this type of management. We were given an opportunity to share our work experience in order to relate it to scenarios of theory X and theory Y manager. The tower building exercise was performed by our classmates. This was very successful as a human tower was built with the 5 people, making sure that the load was distributed evenly possible to participate the member. The interdependence of each and every member can clearly be understood. Moreover, the proper distribution of load was another important, which we could see. The way the risk was minimized by the help of structure was excellent to be observed. The excellence, which is product of efficiency and effectiveness, can be achieved using teamwork and risk minimization. Our professor asked us to do research and write a case study about our company of our liking and discuss about the company product, market, customers, vision, goal, various HR policies, history, culture, and SWOT analysis. So I did my case study on PepsiCo and gave an opportunity to understand. Means with this, I get the opportunity to understand how this business uh, for PepsiCo works and how they have organized their management. to achieve success. Finally, the videos of three monks, which was focused on the productivity and teamwork, it was a very enlightened one, and this video helped us in understanding and analyzing the method to tackle deviant human behavior effectively and to design work process accordingly. Overall, that was quite a journey of learning and teaching. So Mr. Prasad has told us to upload some blogs, and that helped me in my writing skills. And also, I have enjoyed whole journey with Mr. Prasad, and I'm thankful to him for teaching us in a most creative way that I could have ever dreamed about. Thank you, sir. And in the end, I like to give a slogan which our professor has told: think to sell to learn, and learn to sell. Thank you.